Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Virtualbox is up to date and the host has sufficient free space. This prevents mid-process failures. Next, open Virtualbox and select the target VM. Once selected, make sure the VM is powered off. This step is mandatory. Then open Settings right arrow Storage to see the controller type and empty port. If you already have a VDI file, note its location. If not, you can create a new virtual disk with the Virtual Media Manager. This sets you up to attach the disk. Now you attach the VDI. Click the controller's Add Hard Disk button and choose Existing Disk to browse to your VDI. Once selected, confirm the port and controller. If you create a new VDI, pick the VDI format, then choose Dynamically Allocated for flexible growth or Fixed Size for performance and predictability. Make sure you assign the disk to the correct controller, SATA for most modern systems, because using the wrong controller can prevent boot. After assignment, double-check boot order and storage tree to confirm visibility. Finish by clicking OK to save settings and then start the VM. Once the guest boots, check Disk Management or DMESC to confirm the VDI is recognized. If the VM does not boot, first verify boot order and that the disk is attached to the correct controller type. Next, ensure the VDI file permissions allow Virtualbox access. When problems persist, use VBox manage commands such as storage or shovminfo to inspect and reattach the VDI. This gives you direct control and clearer error messages to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.